If your cucumber plants look healthy at first, but then suddenly stop producing, get attacked by pests, or give you disappointing harvests, there's a very good chance the problem isn't your watering schedule, your soil, or even your gardening experience. It might simply be what you planted next to them. And this surprises a lot of gardeners because most people think cucumbers just need sunlight, water, and fertilizer to thrive. But here's what many gardeners don't realize. Cucumbers are incredibly sensitive to their neighbors. Plant them beside the wrong crops, and they can struggle all season long. Plant them beside the right ones, and suddenly you'll notice healthier vines, fewer pests, stronger pollination, and more cucumbers than you know what to do with. And the best part? This doesn't require extra work. No expensive products. No complicated gardening tricks. Just smarter planting. Today, I'm going to show you the best companion plants for cucumbers that can help you grow bigger harvests with less stress. And one of these companion plants is so overlooked that most gardeners never think to use it, even though it can dramatically improve cucumber health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plants to grow beside your cucumbers for stronger growth, better pest protection, healthier soil, and easier harvesting. You'll also learn which plants should never be placed near cucumbers, because this one mistake quietly ruins cucumber harvests for countless gardeners every year. We're also going to cover one simple spacing trick that can mean the difference between lush, productive cucumber vines and plants covered in mildew by mid-season. If gardening sometimes feels confusing or overwhelming, this video will simplify everything. Here on Stress-Free Garden Living, we focus on practical, low-effort gardening methods that help you get better results naturally. No stress. No guesswork. Just smart gardening choices that make life easier. And once you understand how companion planting works, cucumbers become one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow. If you've ever planted cucumbers with high hopes, only to end up with yellowing leaves, pest damage, poor fruit production, or vines that just seem to struggle, you're definitely not alone. A lot of gardeners assume they are doing something wrong. Maybe they watered too much. Maybe they didn't fertilize enough. Maybe they planted too early. But often, the issue is much simpler. The plants nearby are either helping your cucumbers, or working against them. That's what smart gardening is all about. Instead of working harder, we make better decisions up front. At Stress-Free Garden Living, we believe gardening should feel peaceful and rewarding. And companion planting is one of the easiest ways to let nature do more of the work for you. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final companion planting tip might be the most powerful of all. It's something many experienced gardeners overlook, yet it can dramatically improve airflow, reduce disease, and increase harvests without adding a single extra task to your routine. Sometimes the smallest adjustment creates the biggest transformation. And this one could completely change how you grow cucumbers. Let's start with one of the most beautiful and effective cucumber companions. Nasturtiums. At first glance, they just look like cheerful flowers. But don't let their beauty fool you. These plants act like a natural decoy for pests. Here's why they work. Aphids are strongly attracted to nasturtiums. When planted near cucumbers, nasturtiums often draw aphids away from your cucumber vines. This protects your plants without requiring sprays or constant intervention. Imagine walking into your garden and seeing healthy cucumber leaves untouched by pest damage while bright nasturtium flowers spill across the bed. To use them, plant nasturtiums around the edges of your cucumber patch. Give them enough room to spread naturally. They'll create a living shield that works quietly all season. Now here's another powerful companion. Marigolds. These bright little flowers do much more than add color. Their scent helps confuse and deter many common garden pests. But the real magic happens underground. Marigolds can help suppress harmful soil pests and improve the overall balance of your garden bed. That means healthier roots and stronger cucumber plants. Picture your cucumber vines climbing upward, surrounded by bright orange and yellow blooms, with fewer pest problems and a healthier growing space. Plant marigolds every couple of feet throughout your cucumber bed for the best effect. Now let's talk about a surprising companion that many gardeners overlook. Radishes. This one catches people off guard. Why plant root crops near cucumbers? Because radishes can help repel cucumber beetles. And cucumber beetles are one of the most frustrating pests for cucumber growers. They chew leaves, damage stems, and spread disease. Radishes release compounds into the soil that can help discourage these pests. It's like adding invisible protection around your cucumber roots. Sow radishes between cucumber plants early in the season. They mature quickly, so you can harvest them before your cucumber vines fully spread. That means double the reward with almost no extra effort. Now let's move to one of the smartest partnerships in the garden. Beans and peas. These plants are natural soil builders. They work with beneficial bacteria to add nitrogen back into the soil. And cucumbers are heavy feeders. They love nutrient-rich conditions. When planted nearby, beans and peas help create healthier soil that supports stronger cucumber growth. The result? Greener leaves, stronger vines, more flowers, and ultimately, more cucumbers. Plant bush beans near cucumber beds or place peas nearby early in the season. It's a simple way to improve soil naturally. Now here's where things get even more interesting. Herbs. Not all herbs are good companions. But dill and oregano are fantastic choices. Dill attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. These insects feed on harmful pests like aphids. Oregano attracts pollinators. And more pollinators mean better cucumber fruit set. This is especially important if your cucumber plants are flowering but not producing much fruit. Imagine your garden buzzing gently with bees while cucumber blossoms turn into healthy developing fruit. Plant dill and oregano around the perimeter of your cucumber area. Let them create a welcoming environment for the insects your garden needs. Now, if you're thinking, this all sounds great, but what if I've already planted my cucumbers? Don't worry. You haven't missed your chance. Some of these companion plants can still be added right now. And in just a moment, I'm going to show you the mistake that silently ruins cucumber harvests, even when gardeners choose all the right companion plants. This one catches people every single year. Here's the mistake. Overcrowding. This is where many gardeners unknowingly sabotage their cucumbers. They hear about companion planting and start squeezing as many helpful plants as possible into one small area. More plants must mean better results, right? Actually, no. Cucumbers need airflow. Without it, moisture gets trapped around the leaves. That creates the perfect environment for powdery mildew and fungal disease. You might notice white powdery patches, yellowing leaves, and vines that stop producing. It happens fast. And once it starts, it's difficult to reverse. The solution is simple. Give cucumbers space. Allow companion plants to support, not smother. Aim for enough spacing that air can move freely around each vine. If you're growing vertically on a trellis, this becomes even easier. The leaves stay drier. The fruit stays cleaner. And harvesting becomes effortless. This one adjustment alone can transform your cucumber success. Now let's talk about what not to plant nearby. First, potatoes. This pairing causes problems for two big reasons. They compete heavily for nutrients. Both are hungry growers. When planted together, they fight for the same resources. Second, potatoes can increase disease pressure in the soil. That creates unnecessary risk for cucumbers. If your cucumber vines seem weak despite good care, this could be the reason. Keep these crops in separate beds whenever possible. Next, avoid planting sage too close. Its strong aromatic oils can interfere with cucumber growth. While sage is wonderful elsewhere in the garden, cucumbers generally prefer more compatible neighbors. Sometimes gardening success comes down to knowing what not to combine. And avoiding these pairings can save you weeks of frustration. Now let's talk about maximizing pollination. Because even healthy cucumber plants won't produce heavily without enough pollinator activity. This is where flowering companions become essential. Adding small flowering plants around your cucumbers creates a magnet for bees. The more bees visit, the better your cucumber blossoms get pollinated. And that means more fruit. This is why companion planting works so beautifully. It creates a complete garden ecosystem. Everything supports everything else. And once that balance is established, gardening becomes much easier. Less intervention. Less troubleshooting. More harvesting. Now for that powerful final tip I promised. Use vertical growing combined with companion planting. This changes everything. Most gardeners focus only on what they plant beside cucumbers. But how cucumbers grow matters just as much. When you train cucumber vines upward on a trellis, several incredible things happen. Airflow improves dramatically. Leaves dry faster after rain or watering. Disease pressure drops. Pollinators can access flowers more easily. And fruit grows straighter and cleaner. Now combine that with companion plants below. Picture nasturtiums cascading at the base. Marigolds blooming nearby. Dill attracting beneficial insects. Radishes quietly protecting roots. Meanwhile, your cucumber vines climb upward, producing healthy fruit that's easy to spot and harvest. This setup creates the ultimate low-stress cucumber system. It uses vertical space efficiently. Reduces bending. Makes harvesting easier. And creates a healthier environment naturally. If you only make one change this season, let it be this combination. Vertical growing plus thoughtful companion planting can completely transform your cucumber harvest. The beauty of companion planting is its simplicity. You're not forcing your garden to perform. You're creating natural partnerships that allow plants to help one another. That's what stress-free gardening is all about. Working with nature instead of constantly fighting against it. When you pair cucumbers with helpful companions like nasturtiums, marigolds, radishes, beans, peas, dill, and oregano, you create a garden that practically supports itself. Fewer pests. Healthier vines. Better airflow. Stronger pollination. And bigger harvests. And just as importantly, by avoiding poor companions like potatoes and overcrowded planting, you prevent many of the common problems before they even begin. That means less guesswork and more confidence. And gardening becomes what it should be. Simple. Peaceful. Rewarding. If this video helped make cucumber growing feel easier, you're exactly who this channel is for. Here at Stress-Free Garden Living, we share simple gardening strategies that help you grow more with less effort. Because great gardens don't have to be complicated. They just need smart systems that work naturally. So if you want practical tips that save time, reduce stress, and help your garden thrive season after season, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss our next stress-free gardening guide. And now I'd love to hear from you. Which companion plant are you most excited to try with your cucumbers? Have you ever planted cucumbers beside the wrong neighbor and noticed disappointing results? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help another gardener avoid the same mistake. Thanks for spending time with me today. Until next time, keep it simple, keep it peaceful, and enjoy your stress-free garden living.